Assalomu alaykum qarindoshlar va o'quvchilar, e'tibor muborak bo'lsin. Men Arduino bilan yasalgan proyektimni explain qilib demonstrate qilaman. Birinchi, hamma komponentlarni name qilib, undan imo qilishni explain qilaman. Men komponentning ismisi LCD. LCD degan komponent mana screen daklam o'xshash. If you write some code related to it, it will display games, text, or anything you want, or anything you coded, just like your phone. The second component is the potentiometer right here. The potentiometer controls the contrast of the LCD, the brightness of the LCD, and the third component is the joystick. The joystick, we need the joystick to be able to play the game. If you push the joystick like this, just press the button, the player will jump. The objection is the game to to not hit any object to see how far you get.